Now students, next one. If x equals to 12, y equals to 3, then find the value of this. X minus y to the power 2y by x. You have to calculate the value of this. So what I'll do? Directly I'll put the values here. X given 12, y given 3, and there 2 into y means 3 by x 12. Here 3 to the 6, so it is coming this, and 12 minus 3 means 9. 9 to the power 1 by 2. 9 we can write now 3 square. So answer is coming 3. Here directly we will put the values here. Now this may come in SAQ part. The next one, if this 3 into 20 to the power 7 to the power x equals to 9 to the power x plus 4. Okay. Next one, to 3 into 20 7 to the power x. Nine to the power x plus 4. You have to calculate the value of x by 7. Yeah. Now see from this side, all will change in terms of the prime number 3. Clear? 27 means what we can write? 3 cube, and 9 means 3 square. There is nothing means power is 1. Now open the bracket. Then this is multiplication, so you will add the power. Clear? Now what to do? We have to find out the value of x from here. So base same from both sides. Base is 3, so we can equate the power. Therefore we can write 1 plus 3x equals to 2x plus 8. From this relation, 3x minus 2x, x, 8 minus 1, 7. Now don't end here. Clear? Your problem is that calculate the value of this. Always you read the question properly, what is given. Clear? Now x, now put this value here. So your answer is coming 1. Clear? Now next one, if this is different type. It is given this form, 4 to the power y equals to 8 to the power z. Then find the value of this, x plus 2y plus 3z by x. You have to calculate the value of this. Okay. Now 2 to the power x equals to, we can write 4 to the power y. Clear? Or 2 to the power x. 4 means 2 square. Now next step. Now you are saying base same, therefore x equals to 2y. Keep it in a box. Clear? Afterwards we have to use that. Again you see, I can use this relation, 2 to the power x equals to 8 to the power z, or 8 means 2 cube. Clear? Therefore, two to the power x, 2 to the power 3z. Base same, therefore x equals to 3z. Another box. Keep it in another box. Now, I have to calculate the value of x plus 2y plus 3z. I have to calculate the value of x plus 2y plus 3z by x. Now see from here, x keep is as it is. Now 2y, x equals to 2y. So in place of 2y, I can write x here. Similarly, from here, in place of 3z, I can write x from this relation by x. Now after adding 3x by x, so answer is coming 3. It is important for exam. In SAQ part it may come. You see. First what we have done? First we have calculated the relation between x and y and x and z. Then we have put the values, we have changed y and z in terms of x. Clear? Now next one. Next one is if to change the pen. If 32 to the power x equals to 4 to the power 2y, then find the value of x by y plus 1 by 5. Clear? So from here we find out, from here we start. Okay, what is given? 32. 32 means in terms of 2, we can write 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 to the power 5. We can write 2 to the power 5 and that side 2 square, or 2 to the power 5x equals to 2 to the power 4y. Clear? Now base same, so 5x equals to 4y. Now from here x by y will write down. X by y is coming 4 by 5. Again I am telling you, don't do this mistake. Don't write x by y equals to 5 by 4. Because okay, it will be 4, 5 will come that side. It will become 4 by 5. Now this value you have to calculate. So x by y directly I am writing 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Then 4, take the LCM, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 will be cancelled out. Your answer is 1. See? Clear? Now next sum you will get in next video.